Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand. Kev-In-Thailand in Spain here. Oh, it's Sunday afternoon. We've copped down onto Mojacar Playa and we're at Tito's. I'll show you, just to prove it. But they're down along the Pattaya on Mojacar Beach. Every Sunday is music, every Sunday afternoon. Lots of people get together down here. And they'll have a different group on every week. So, let's have a quick look. So there we are. El Bicho. Yeah, you didn't know I could speak Spanish, did you? And just here, Tito's. We're on a day trip here today. The group's called the Day Trippers. Thirsty work, apparently. And next door to Tito's is a very nice cocktail bar restaurant called Magnifique. Very nice place to chill out. And right next to Tito's, so you could chill out here and listen to the music next door. Or just take in the views. Anyway, we're going to have a little bit of time here and then we're going to move on to another live music bar. I'll let you know the name of it when we're going there. I have no idea which one it is. So, last look.
I'm gonna be wiping those weeping eyes, yeah. Woke up in New York City in a sleazy cheap hotel. She stole my watch and she took my money. She must have slipped me a sleeping pill. She never drinks the water, makes you order French champagne. Once you've had a taste of her, you will never be the same. She will make you go insane. Come on, upside, inside out, living la vida loca. She'll push and pull you down, living la vida loca. Her lips are devil red and her skin's a color mocha. She will wear you out, living la vida loca. Come on, living la vida loca. Come on, living la vida loca.
Tito's every Sunday afternoon. Right, let's go down to Lewis.
Bit of crowd participation.
I understand.
I'm going to sing a line to you.
Lewis.
I want you to sing it back to me. It's very
Just
simple.
down there.
Just repeat what I do.
I'll meet you there. See you shortly. Right, here we are at the front entrance, Lewis, on the beach. Live music also every Sunday afternoon, Sunday early evening, 6 PM. So let's go in and have a look. It's very nice in there. Outside on the patio area. So that's Tito's Bar and Bar Lua, both of them Sunday, Tito's 5 o'clock, Lua 6 o'clock. Hope to see you soon. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and if you give it a like, share, subscribe, you ain't got to. I know you're at the Thailand, but what can I do? It's all my fault. See you again soon. Bye bye.